This is AutoEdge, Automated Edge Following Path Generation in the Augmentus software. In this walkthrough, we'll turn a part's edges into a robot-ready toolpath, first from a step file, then from a scanned mesh. AutoEdge builds a toolpath that follows the edges of your workpiece, ideal for deburring or welding along a seam. There are two ways in. With a step file, AutoEdge reads the part's real edges, so you click an edge and it's selected, with no area painting. With a scanned mesh, you select the area the edge runs through, and AutoEdge finds the edge for you. Either way, the workflow is the same 3 steps. Select the edges you want to follow, set how the tool meets them, and align the path. Then generate. Let's start with a step file of an engine block. AutoEdge is added. On a step file, the geometry carries real edges, so you simply click the edge you want to follow, right on the part, and it's selected instantly. Hold Shift and click to chain connected edges into one continuous path. The panel tallies the edges, the length, and the waypoint count as you go. And where a path crosses several faces, hold Alt and click a face to set a consistent tool orientation. Or capture a whole closed loop in one move. Click an edge, then the face beside it, and AutoEdge selects the entire ring of edges around that face. And path trimming pulls the start or end point in by an exact amount. Next, open the Waypoint tab. Align Waypoint keeps the tool's orientation consistent as it follows the edge, so the end effector doesn't swing between points. You can leave it off, align just the Z-axis, or align all axes. Here, all axes keeps the tool square to the face the whole way along. The Offset and Movement tabs handle the rest. The tool's angle of attack, standoff, and blending. Then Generate Waypoints writes the finished path into your program. Here, the simulation plays out. The robot runs that first edge, clean and collision checked, and the same few clicks scale to the whole part. Here, every edge across the top of the engine block becomes one continuous deburring program, ready to send to the robot. Now the same tool, this time from a scan. A scanned mesh is just a shell of triangles with no edges to click. So AutoEdge finds the edge a different way. Because the edge lives where two surfaces meet, you select the area it runs along. AutoEdge fits a plane to that surface, and the edge appears where the plane and the mesh intersect. Add AutoEdge the same way, and the Select Area wizard opens. Choose Scanned Mesh and click Next. Then paint across the area your target edge runs through. Here, the seam around this gas tank. Automatic selection grabs the surrounding region, and the surface threshold controls how far it spreads. When the area covers your edge cleanly, click Confirm Selection, and AutoEdge detects the edge inside it. In the Setup tab, pick the edge pattern that matches your edge: straight, curved, a closed circle, or a closed contour. Then set the start and end points on the edge to tell AutoEdge where the path begins and where it ends. On a mesh, the Waypoint tab works the same way. You set how the tool holds its orientation as the path follows the curved edge all the way around the tank. The Offset and Movement tabs are set up just as they were for the engine block. Then, generate waypoints. After you press Plan, the robot runs the full simulation, tracing the whole edge of the gas tank, down one side, around the tight curve at the top, and back down the other. And that's AutoEdge. Import a step file and click the edge, or scan a part and select the area. Either way, you get a clean, robot-ready edge path in seconds.